In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Confluence, a popular collaboration tool used by teams to organize, discuss, and share work. Whether you're looking to better structure your page content or aiming to make your Confluence pages more visually appealing, adding columns can be a big help. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to be signed in to your Confluence account. Once you're in, look for the space you're intending to work on. Think of spaces in Confluence as project folders. Each space contains all the relevant pages and information connected to a particular topic or project, so it's critical to click on the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. With the right space in view, navigate to the specific page where you want to add your columns. This might be an existing page you're looking to structure more effectively, or a brand new page you're setting up for the first time. Now that you're on the intended page, keep your eyes peeled for the three dots, often known as the ellipsis symbol, near the top. Go ahead and click on those dots. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu filled with several options. From this menu, you want to select the Edit option. This is a crucial step because it puts your page into edit mode, allowing you to perform changes, including adding columns. Remember, you must be in edit mode to carry out this task. With edit mode activated, you'll need to decide where you want your columns to start. If you're working on a new page, this might be right at the top. However, if it's an existing page, find a suitable empty line in a section where the columns will make the most sense. Next, direct your attention to the top ribbon on the page where you'll locate the Layouts option. This feature is wonderfully versatile, enabling you to customize your page layout to fit your content needs effectively. After you click on Layouts, you'll see a variety of column options at your disposal. These can range from simple two-column setups to more intricate designs. Choose the layout that best matches how you want to present your information. Once you've selected your desired layout, it's time to populate the columns with your content. The layout you chose will guide how the content is spread out across the page, so carefully consider how to best use the space within each column as you proceed. As we reach the final step, don't forget to update your page to save all the changes you've made. Look for the Update button, which will commit all your column creations to the page. And with that, your Confluence page will now beautifully display your content organized in the newly created columns. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating columns in Confluence to enhance the organization and appearance of your pages. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts to find what works best for your content. Remember, a well-structured page not only looks more professional, but also makes information easier to digest for your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your Confluence pages.